Hi, this is Donna Body of Delos with a WordPress tip. If you have the Classic Editor installed and set to allow choosing between editors, it's not necessarily obvious how you do that within a page or a post, so let's take a look. If you're starting as the block editor, what you want to do is in the top right, you're going to see 3 dots, more actions, and you have underneath here, switch to Classic Editor. And that's going to switch to the Classic Editor. If you want to switch back, or you're in Classic Editor and you want to switch to Block, there's an Editor section on the right-hand side, and you can switch back to the Block Editor. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us on the web for more information and tips.